Okay, in the last video, I showed you how to use the type cutout app to actually get what you wanted as far as images within your text. So I downloaded it and I actually put it here with the transparent background. So just dropped it into my uploads. So if you're looking to actually do a mock-up, the next thing you want to do is go to apps and then type in mockups. And here, this first one, you'll see there's many different options that you can use. So if we wanted to use it for apparel, we could go in here until we found something that maybe matched the style that we were looking for. Let's just pick this guy. Just cover it up. You can put that on a blank page. And so now you have this frame here. You go to your uploads and you just drag that right into the frame. Let it generate, and there you go. So it's a good way. You can do all of this within Canva. You can custom create your own text. There's no need to really generate any type of mock-ups because it's already here for you. They have a lot of things to choose from. So there you go.